Are you one of those climbers that works for an employer that will allow you to ascend on single rope but requires you to work off double rope? Or maybe you're a climber that prefers to work and climb the tree, you know, work out the tree on double rope, but you still want the benefits of ascending single line. Well, one of the systems that I'll use a lot is I'll ascend single line, and I will bring up a double rope system or attach a double rope system to the tail end of my single line climb line. I'll ascend to a high point in the tree, and then I'll pull out this wear safe small friction saver from Notch or a DMM secret weapon. On my single line, I'm going to start in front of the rope and wrap right to left up the rope using the big ring side. I'm going to get 5 or so, as many wraps as I can out of this. Line up my rings, so I'll keep the small ring on the right hand side and the large ring on the left hand side, and I'm going to treat this like a friction saver. So with my double rope system, I'm going to go ahead and install the tail end or the spliced eye end through that. This yellow retrieval ball from Teffelberger works great to retrieve this system. You can also use the Notch pebble. So let me get some tension on this bad boy here. So right now I have a double rope climbing system off of my single line that I ascended on, and this system is retrievable. So it's just in a VT wrap fashion. Now what I'll have to do is I'll have to do a system switch. So I'm going to put all the tension on my double rope system, and now my single rope system is slocked out. So I can disconnect this from my swivel or from the ring. Now that's free. I can leave this here. I can take this off, take it down with me. If I'm concerned about this slipping, which I'm not, but if I was concerned about it slipping, I could spike the line beneath it. So I'll show you what that looks like. Just in case that prusik does decide to slip, it would be best practice. Oop. Kind of balancing on a precarious limb here. So now that's spiked. So if this prusik was to slip, it's going to jam into that alpine butterfly and prevent it from coming down the rope any further. But now I have the benefit of working double rope, but I also had the benefit of climbing single line. And this system again is retrieval. So if I want to go work the tree out to my right, I can then walk underneath all these limbs, reconnect back up down there on single rope, and then pull my double rope system out from that side, and my rope lines are all clean again. So overall, pretty simple. You know, the first time I did it, I was like, ah, this is different, this is unique. But I've climbed like this probably about 24 times now, worked out a few trees, and overall it works great, it's clean, and it makes you know, having options pretty easy. So a big win for that.